Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of sum of angles in a triangle. This is standard 7.11c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 3 off the Redesign Practice Online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a triangle that has angle measures of x plus 3 degrees, 5x minus 8 degrees, and 2x plus 1 degrees. So we need the measure of the smallest angle of the triangle in degrees. Okay, so first off, in case we get stuck, there is nothing here that tells us how many degrees are in a triangle. So they're never going to provide that information for you. They are going to ask that you remember that on your own. So in case you get stuck, let's open up our graph draw feature. Easy way I always remember is if I get stuck, I'm going to make a rectangle, right? I'm going to say, okay, so my rectangle is 360 degrees. And I know it's 360 degrees because I've got 4 90-degree or square corners, right? So all 4 of these are 90 degrees. 90 times 4 is 360. I can take any rectangle. Actually, I could take any quadrilateral if I really wanted to. And I can cut it in half with a diagonal. And guess what? I get 2 triangles. So that means I'm going to take my 360. I'm going to cut it in half. Each of those triangles has got 180 degrees. So this is what we know so far. The triangle is worth 180 degrees. What are its angles? Well, one angle is x plus 3. Another angle is 5x minus 8. Another angle is 2x plus 1. If I add all 3 of those angles, I'm going to get 180 degrees. So I need to first solve for x. Then, I don't want to get confused, I'm looking for the smallest angle. So one of these 3 is the smallest. So I need to find its value. So let's see. We can actually, since we're not multiplying or distributing anything, we can just drop all the parentheses. X plus 3 plus 5x minus 8 plus 2x plus 1. You just need the parentheses if you have something other than addition or subtraction. But since they're all addition and subtraction, they're all equal in the eyes of PEMDAS. So how many x's do we have? Let's bring them together. I've got 1x, 5x, and 2x. So if I bring them all together, 1 and 5 is 6, add the 2 is 8. 8x. And then I've got, right here, I've got a plus 3 minus 8 plus 1. All right, so I've got my plus 3 and plus 1 is plus 4. Plus 4 minus 8. Right, plus 4 minus 8. So really that's just going to be 180 equals 8x minus 4. Now if I want to isolate that x, I need to add a 4 to both sides. And that's going to give me 184 equals 8x. Now I can divide by 8. What is that going to give me? 8 into 184. That's going to give me twice. 16, 24. Okay. X equals 23. Now, that is not my answer. That is how much x equals. Now I have to go back in, and I got to plug in 23. So this angle right here is 23 plus 3, so that's 26. This is 5 times 23 minus 8. So what is 23 minus, or times 5 here? That's going to be 15, 11. Whoa, 115 minus 8. That's 107. And this is going to be 23 times 2, right? Plus 1. So that's going to be 46. That's 47. So what is my smallest? Well, you see right there, it is that 26B.